Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to try something new where we actually unbox a brand new microphone, the Snowball Ice Black. I'm hoping this will improve the audio quality on the channel as we start to get into more of the on-screen narration on how to use software and things of that nature. So let's get to it. So here we have the Snowball Ice Black. Without further ado, let's start cutting into this thing and see how it looks. First we'll take the sticker off. Here we go. Yeah, buddy. A whole lot of box for not a lot of stuff, that's for sure. Nicely packaged. Alright. Let's see how we take this apart. That pops off like that. Set that aside. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. That looks nice. There we go. I assume the tripod and the instructions are in here, as well as the USB cord. We'll set all that stuff aside. So this was the contents of the box. We have the microphone itself, the instruction manual, USB cable, and tripod. Let's put it together real quick and see how this thing looks. Nice little tripod. That's going to be crucial. Looks like they put a little bit of stuffing in here. Not sure what that's about. I'll just carefully remove that. That's a humidity pack. Never saw one like that before. Get this screwed onto the base. Nice little adjustable gimbal. Ooh, nice long USB cable. That's going to come in handy. That's got to be at least 6 feet in length. So that's nice. And we plug in right here, and it looks like we get all of our power and sound out of just USB. So there you have it. The Blue Snowball Ice microphone. Let's get it plugged in and see how it sounds. Okay, we got it unpackaged. Now let's give it a quick test. So the reason I bought this microphone is to improve the audio quality. So right now the audio you're listening to is recorded on my iPhone. Let's get the speaker plugged in and we'll do some quick tests. Now that the speaker's plugged in, hopefully you can hear this difference in audio. I think it's going to make a great deal of difference in the channel and the content that I'm producing. I hope that you feel the same way. If you like what you hear and you think I should continue using this type of microphone interface for the various content that I'm going to be creating, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks. Hi, this is Jacob again. If you like what you saw here, why don't you check out my other videos? Otherwise, if you leave a like, a subscribe, or maybe even a comment, I'll be sure to respond to you, and hopefully we can grow this channel. Thanks.